So I'm working on a 2005 Pontiac Vibe. I'm trying to remove the clock spring on the driver's side airbag. It's actually behind the driver's side airbag. There are two security screws. I've already kind of loosened them. These are captive, which means that they're stuck in there. What I did was I just got a little hook or a little screwdriver, just knocked them out of place. When I pull this out, you'll kind of know what I'm talking about. So with this out, you'll see the screws are now sitting on the side. I'm just going to remove them afterwards and put them back in through the other side. But yep, I'll continue this in a little bit. So in order to remove the wires that are connected to the airbag itself, they have these two yellow tabs. All you have to do are, so I'm looking through the video on this, pop this up and it should pull straight out. Like that. And the other one's going to be the same. And there you go. So once you have the airbag removed, I also disconnected this ground which goes up here. You just have to take I believe this is a 19 mil socket, loosen this and pull the steering wheel off. So once you remove the 19 millimeter nut, which is right here, I just took a little auto writer marker and I marked the orientation of the steering wheel, and then you just got to give it a couple of good twists or pulls and the thing comes right out. And here we have our clock spring. The next thing we have to do is to remove these three Phillips screws. There's one, two, and there's one underneath right there in silver. And with those out, this plastic trim should come off. So you have two plugs that you're going to want to disconnect from here once you remove the clock spring. The first one's pretty easy. This one you just kind of push in. You should be able to just pull out. This bottom one is similar. This one, it slides back this way. So it'd be like this. And then it should come right out. And there you go. So if you haven't already done so, you can lower the steering column if you have one of these. I think most of the Vibes and the Matrixes have them. I just lowered the steering column as much as I could, and the clock spring should just come right out. Just give it a gentle tug. I think it's held on with 3 clips. And that's 2, that's 3. Oops, well, it's getting replaced anyway, but it'll pop right out. And the 3 clips are on the back. You have 1 here, you'd have 2 and 3. I think the metal clips are still in there somewhere. But yep, that was pretty easy.